So guys, let's launch for the first time Davinci Resolve Studio and let's take a look into the database and setting up a database and what a database is. So you should see something like this in your program. Maybe everything is great there, you just have this untitled project, and there you should have just a local database. So databases basically are folders organized into your drive or different drive that contains different projects. You want to use databases for different clients or for different types of work, and you want to organize all those projects in one big folder that contains backups, that contains your stills, your lookups, everything you're gonna do into those projects are in there. So normally you have the local database, that is the initial one that Davinci Resolve creates for you, but you can just create a new database just pressing there, new database. You can connect the database because you can also export a database from there. You can make backup or you can make a restore from another database. And we're gonna do that just by creating that color grading masterclass database. Just by pressing there on new database, you can connect it on your disk. You want to click the name, you want to click on location and locate our main color grading masterclass folder and press add. Or if you want to create a new one, just press to create disk, rename it and select the location. Doing this will create a custom or our color grading masterclass database into your program. By doing so, you can export or import different projects all in once. Maybe you are creating proxies, you're creating stuff inside your project and you want to export everything, and everything is in there. You can see right there from two databases that I'm working on this period, this yellow alert sign. This is basically because right now I don't have the hard drive where I'm working on these two projects insert on my Mac, and is saying like the database is missing. When something like this, it's happening to your Mac, you can just quit from Davinci Resolve and then try another time, and when plugging in the hard drive everything will be okay. By the way, if you are changing the folder of a project, you can just reveal it in Finder and just select where it is right now, and it would reconnect it or disconnect it if you don't want to have it anymore into your folder. I normally keep there the databases of the projects that I'm working on that period, and then I erase them and I backup them, and yeah. So by pressing new database and connect, you just have to locate our color grading masterclass database that you downloaded, and these are the projects that it will show you up. Maybe during your time I've added more projects inside that, but it's okay. Right now we are just looking at databases. There you have all your projects. If you don't want to see your project, just have to, if you don't want to see all the databases, you have to press this little icon. Maybe you don't care about databases, you're just using the local database and you want to have it clean in that way. You can zoom in, you can change the way you list them. You want to see maybe the info of every project, you want to see the info on that way, or you want to make a deep search if you have lots of projects. You can also make folders inside every database, so just popping new folder, like new folder 1. You can create a folder, and inside the folder you can pop your projects, and that's it. You can create a new project, or you can open a project even from another program. Maybe you already have everything into your hard drive and you want to open them, just pressing open, and yeah, you can do it in that way too. So it's really easy, but it's important to understand how it works, because creating database, it's a really simple thing, but it's great to have everything well organized and everything well organized and well set into your PC or your Mac, because you want to have it all clean. And when everything is clean and it's working, in a great way, all your jobs will, fly into your device.